Leye pi baru kini kilong ki kubor banda kesni. Keseng NGO na Garo Hills kabatip kum ka NANGRIMGIMIN CHIK DOL NAD lingba unong ya aiktian jangka uba Francis CH Marak gra Pynrem juri ki jingjia ki brangshan hawes Garo Hills. Ki bakenthop ya ka jingkeno don ki kam thon bor jingya lampat ba da ka jingya sloks new ber ki kam bean. Kaseng ong ba ka don ka jing sokhya ka bajur halor ka jingwan rung bean jong ki briu ki banabar ki blakta e ka jila Meghalaya khamtam ha ki jaka shnong jong ki rulum trairi. Karkum ka jingye thu jeng ka sengi ni kibriu gula pen khenya ka hok halor ka khendo ba ki jingdan jing em jing ki trairi bar kila pershang ru ban penmi jingye pherjai bendriu ba jingye kan ad apring ki pat ba ka NAD kala keno ba kini ki kam kim dei ki bajaring khat ndai ki dei ki bla pen khre ba ban pen prai ka jingye tli ba jingye long pat ba ha ka imlang sa lang jing ki riulum ka seng kala ong ru ba ka jing snap jar jing ki bor sarkar bar ka jingbam shimkhia ban te la ka mi ka jingwan rung be an kala nang pen sniu ya ka jinglong jingman ha ka juk upor ka seng kala Pynrem ya ka jingkem ba jingya shok ben ya kinong ya lambar ki pat ba ki blayeng ha ka front ban ya dai ka hong ka jingya dei jai ben riu ba ka khendo jing ki trairi ko ong ba kini ki briu kila sha le ben wala ki akhi ha ka rukom pat ba ha ba ya kren shikilat pathai khubor hasilong press club u Francis H Marak uong ka NAD ka dawaban pelong ka jing tokit ka balaj luit bakhut halor ka ni ka benta jing ki briu bawan rong bean bar ka benta jong ki ha ka jing pherjai benriu ban pelong ya ka jing be shnong no ya ki nong shong shnong bean ki bla shong ha ki khendo jing ki riulom ha Garo Hills ban yada ya ka hok riti dustur bar ka hok pat ba jing ki riulom kat kum ka sik schedule jing ka riti sanshar ka ri India ban tokit bnya ya ki kam runar kenthop ya ki kam jingya ba jingya shok ben ki bla ja ki benta ba pher Banshim kiai ki mukot duma poksu bar ki jingkno jingya lampat ba sniu hagi benta kum kati bilang bante lakam ki kamti mau bean hagi bentan jong ka north west ba south west Garo Hills ban ai jingya dai ki trai shnong ki be dai ka maryang bar ki jingdan jing em ka jingya thu shaphang ka jingya lang bar ka jingya ki uba Francis CH Marak loong ba wat ladan ki jingpen bor ba jingya te kendon na ka sarkar reki pat ba ki dang yai beteng ban yang scam ban dawai ka hong loong ru ba ka jingya ki pat ba ka bladep ka long ka bajam bar ka jinglong jingman menta ka dang jai jai hagi benta jong ka Garo Hills ula pen pauru ba ka jingya ki jongki kam dei persha kanu ka jait ben riu niam henrei ka rung be an bar ki kam be an ki bakta ki imlang salang ka NAD kala kentui ka sarkar jila ba ka sarkar preng ban shimkhia mador ban penne e ka hong bar ka shong suk shong san bat ban penti kna ba ka hok bar ka buram jingki rulum kam dei ban sha ban khen
of the NAD representatives strongly condemn the atrocities by illegal Bangladeshis intruders. The NANGRIMGIMIN CHIK DOL expresses its strongest condemnation of the ongoing atrocities, intimidation and unlawful activities perpetrated by the illegal Bangladeshis intruders against the indigenous tribal communities of Garo Hills, Meghalaya. It has come to our notice with great concern that these illegal intruders have not only encroached upon the land and resources belonging to the indigenous people, but have also systematically attempted to disturb the peaceful coexistence of the communities by instigating communal tension. Such deliberate acts of provocation, violence and fear-mongering are direct threat to the constitutional safeguards and the traditional rights of the scheduled tribes under the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. NAD firmly believes that the recent communal flares-ups are not spontaneous but also result of the calculated attempts by these intruders to destabilize the region and weaken the unity of the indigenous population. The silence and inactions of the concerned authorities in effectively addressing illegal infiltration and its consequences have further emboldened such elements. We are strongly condemn the unwarranted arrest and harassment of NGO leaders and innocent individuals who have been at the forefront of the protecting the rights, identity and the land of the indigenous people. These leaders have been unjustly targeted while raising legitimate concerns regarding illegal infiltration and its socio-economic and cultural impacts. In light of the above, NANGRIMGIMIN CHIK NAD demands: number one, a thorough and impartial investigation into the activities of the illegal Bangladeshi intruders and their role in inciting communal unrest. Number two, immediate eviction drives against all illegal settlers occupying tribal lands in Garo Hills, which has gone orders from the GHADC. Number three, strengthening of border security and strict enforcement of laws to prevent further illegal infiltration. Number four, protection of the constitutional and customary rights of the indigenous tribal communities under the 6th Schedule. Number five, for NIA investigation into the murder of late Dilseng M. Sangma. Number six, the POCSO cases committed by the illegal Bangladeshis in Chibanang and the gang rape cases in Chibanang area where the girl was raped continuously by 5 illegal Bangladeshis intruders whole night, and later the girl was paraded naked in the Chibanang area in the next morning. Number seven, for NIA investigation in all the mosques of Garo Hills. Number eight, to stop the illegal stone quarry in the northwest Garo Hills and southwest Garo Hills and NGT implementation. Number nine, ex gratia to both wife and the mother of late Dilseng M. Sangma, who died protecting the environment. Number 10, mothers of the late Dilseng M. Sangma must be hanged to death. NAD retaliates that the indigenous people of Garo Hills have always upheld peace, harmony, and lawful conduct. However, any continued provocation, injustice, and suppression of the rightful voices will only deepen unrest and mistrust among the people. We call upon the state government, central government, and all responsible authorities to act decisively and uphold justice, ensuring that the rights and the dignity of the indigenous communities are not compromised. NAD stands firm in its commitment to safeguard the land, identity, and the future of the CHIK people. And last, not the least, I like to say a big thank you to all the communities of Meghalaya, especially to Kasi, Jingjia, and Garo people who supported us tirelessly and with a good and a loving heart. They have been with us in protesting against the ST certificate mandatory in a democratic process. We once again like to thank and very grateful to all the communities, especially HYC and JYC President and Secretary, who have been with us together all throughout the protest through the democratic process. Now, since the leaders are being threatened by the state government, so we are not able to gather to conduct or to organize the meeting, and we as a public organizing whole of Garo Hills to demand the release of the arrest NGOs leaders.
So after the JHATC
Till then, we are experienced quite a peaceful environment in our areas, and right now we have not seen any kind of information or the activities that the public or the NGO leaders are being there are lots of mosques and masjids. See, in the recent incident that we have seen in William Nagar, Simsangre, the mob angry and they have attacked the masjid. During this attack, people have seen the lack munitions and the camouflage in the masjid compound. So the police department they have given a statement that someone who is a police personnel have been taking us a rent in the masjid compound. Whether it is right or wrong of the police personnel or is it from the Muslim community, we want to know exactly what and who really instigating these matters, like finding out live ammunitions and camouflage in the masjid areas. So it is not right to say that it's a police personnel's belongings. Yes.
Somebody planted there.
So as a public, we can see that it's a pre-plan to instigate or to play illegal activities in our region. Finding such live ammunitions in the masjid compound is not a good thing for our, and it is a matter of great concern for our area and the public. Because as soon as the public saw the materials like the live ammunitions and the camouflage in the masjid compound, we have our people in our area, they have informed the police personnel and they have come with the investigation team with the live videos. So they have seen the live ammunition 4 numbers and with the numbers of camouflage in the masjid compound. Way we have been protesting against the illegal immigrants and contesting in the JC declaration. Repeatedly we have protested, and these people who belong to the Muslim communities, we can say the illegal immigrants from Bangladesh, they have provoked us by coming or entering Tura again and again, repeatedly after being protest by our people. That is the reason I think people or the mob got angry and they have vandalized even the mosque and the Muslim communities areas. Done, but when our people or the indigenous tribal people needs our right to preserve our rights, the Garo culture or Garo community traditions, they should be with us cooperating. In this juncture, they have not cooperated with us. Instead, they have threatened us like postering some international terrorists, ISIS, and they have pasted in some Turat town. And this way, they have started the provocation and our coexistence breaks down. Demanding regarding the late Singh Sangma's killing also, because what we can feel and see is that earlier these illegal immigrants, Bangladeshis, they have kidnapped this late Singh Sangma's younger sister into their residence. So within a day or night, our people they have gone to the house of the illegal immigrants, Muslims' house. They went with good numbers of people, and they have managed to take out the younger sister of late Singh Sangma. After bringing back the own sister, they have targeted late Singh Sangma personally, and while they were going in a group, number of people were there with the 3 vehicles to protect or to prevent or to stop the illegal stone quarry mining. In that moment, these illegal immigrants people, they have targeted this late Singh Sangma and have killed on the spot. Clash between the Muslim and the Garos. Actually, the younger sister of late Singh Sangma was kidnapped and taken to the house of the Muslims to get, say, married or to rape, I don't know exactly. But after 1 or 2 days time, our people or the late Singh Sangma, young or what's called late Singh Sangma, they have gone with some people, few or big numbers of people. They have taken out the younger sister and they brought her back home. Then they have got a pre-plan to kill the late Singh Sangma, and they have done personally attack him and they have killed him on the spot. Otherwise, they could have killed them many Garos on the spot while they were going to stop the stone illegal quarry.